Namaste and welcome back to my garden. So today I'm talking about these self-seeded tomatoes, some of which are already blooming and started to get some tomatoes, and which will be for free of cost for me. I've got tomato seedlings everywhere in the garden, so today I'm going to transplant these tomatoes to a different part of the garden because they're not thriving at all, and they're a bit too much in one spot as well. So I have found this spot here which has nothing happening at the moment, and the soil is so dry even though it's middle of the winter. It's more of sandy and it's just so hard, so I had to use some other equipment to loosen it. And I have mixed some compost as well, so the soil is loose and it's deep enough for tomato seedlings. So I'm going to plant one of those tomato here, and we'll see how it goes. So planted the tomato, got some mulch on the ground as well, just in case I didn't get to water it regularly. And these are the other tomatoes that I have transplanted to different parts of the garden and mulched them as well. So let's see how it goes. I'll be back with an update. Thanks for watching.